This is Vlogmas day number 3. How are you guys? So I slept well last night. I was trying to edit the video that you guys saw for Vlogmas number 2, and as I was uploading all the footages to my iPad to edit, I fell asleep and woke up like around 3 in the morning. No, like 4 in the morning, and then I just had like this burst of energy for some odd reason, and I literally pretty much edited a bulk of the video. All I have to do is just add in music and some stuff or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I made it in time for breakfast, and they give you fresh made breakfast, and I got it to go, and they gave it to me in a container. So sometimes I eat breakfast, sometimes I don't, but I have it, and I have a microwave, so when I am hungry, I'll just, you know, start eating it. So I did end up getting coffee. I'm going to add in my protein shake into it. You guys know the deal. This is one of my favorite flavors for coffee. This is my favorite protein shake, like hands down. I just love it. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Sorry, I'm like texting another flight attendant, posting a trip that she's giving up for tomorrow, and my friend really needs hours, so I'm like the middleman between the two. She's asking for my friend's number, so I'm just texting my friend if it's okay to give her the number. Anyways, so boom, drinking the coffee. Got a little bit of creamer in there. Just makes it a little bit creamier. There it is. I can't function without coffee in the morning, for real, for real. I'm going to finish up the edit. Like, I literally don't have much to do. I just have to add a little bit of tweaks, upload it to YouTube, and then schedule a time for you guys to see it. Hopefully by the time that I'm done, I'll hit the gym really quickly and do like a light workout. So see you guys in the next clip.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'll be fine without you.
Alright guys, so I finished editing. I spent the whole morning editing, and I finished. And it's gonna be uploaded for 2 o'clock, which is good. I also have a hair review, like a wig review, that needs to be reviewed for another company. I was working on that as well, and I think I'm done. All I have to do is work on the thumbnails. I'm not really pressed for time, but I want to make sure that I'm on top of my time so I can make sure that I have enough time to get dressed for work. I don't like to rush at all. In all things, I don't like to rush. I like to casually prepare myself to get to work. So I'm gonna do a workout. I'm not gonna go too crazy in the gym. I'm gonna spend like 45 to an hour max in the gym. Do treadmill, incline on 11, and speed at 3.0. And I'm just gonna do that for maybe 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm just gonna do some weights really quickly, nothing too extravagant. I wanna make sure that my body, sorry, I have to get my watch. I wanna make sure that my body is moving. Also, a lot of people ask like what I normally do in the gym. I mean, there's no science to what I do. I do whatever I feel like doing. As long as I'm doing 10,000 steps a day, that's just how it is for me. I want to just make sure that my body is constantly moving. That's just the trick for me. Like when people write in my comments, show us what you do. Like I feel like you guys want me to give you some type of routine that will get you to the results that you're looking for. I feel like my VSG journey has been successful. Honestly, I'm 2 years out and I've been maintaining my weight. For me personally, I am not a nutritionist. I am not a professional weight trainer. I just do things that work for me. And what works for me is moving my body, making sure I do 10,000 steps every day. I make sure I do not eat late at night. I always keep up with my protein intake. That's the reason why I drink a lot of my morning protein coffee. And I do mindful eating. Mindful eating in a sense where I don't overeat. I never, no matter what I put in my body, I make sure I don't overeat. If I am full, I stop. And that's it. It's simple. That's it. It works for me currently. If it no longer works for me, then I will pivot and do something else. I don't know. But right now, it's working for me. That's the reason why I have been successful in my weight loss journey. I go to therapy for my food addictions as well. I put in a lot of work into this journey. I incorporated God into my weight loss journey and my weight loss maintenance as well. So I don't know if you guys are religious or faith-based, whichever, I do not judge, but find something that works for you and you stick to it. Yeah, that's what I do. So I move, that's it. I'm in the treadmills, I'm lifting weights, I'm walking, I'm eating right. I do indulge. Of course I do. I am human, but I don't beat myself up about it, okay? And I jump right back to where I left off, and I don't overeat. If I'm full, I stop. I don't force myself, and I am not ashamed to waste food. That's it. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok as well and on Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen. So that's it. Like, if you guys wanna like talk to me, definitely we could talk about it in the comments down below, or you could always DM me or email me. One thing about that is that I get a lot of DMs, a lot of emails, and it's hard for me to go through them every day, but I will answer it. Just give me some time. Okay? Stop talking. It's about to be 1 p.m. I need to hit the gym like ASAP Rocky. So see you in the next clip. All right, made it to the gym and it's empty. I love empty gym. And this is my outfit to work out. Let's go. So right now I'm in my cool down phase right now. I spent a whole hour in the treadmill and I did 11.0 incline and 3.0 speed the whole way. Right now I'm cooling down. I didn't quite make 3 miles, but since I'm going to be walking in the airport, it just makes up for it, you know? So here's the cool down. You see I'm dripping with sweat. All right, so that's the summary right here. And I did 7,196 steps so far, which is a good start for the day. Like I said, I am gonna walk and be on my feet today. Like, airports are long, you know, and I'm gonna make up the extra 3,000 steps plus. When I work out, I drink a lot of water. When I don't work out, I barely drink water. For me, when I don't work out, I eat more. I notice. So as you can see, this is my water. I normally don't finish this at all. It will take me days to finish this. So for me to have this much water intake, for me that's like a huge accomplishment, for real, because I rarely drink water. Anyways, let me head out. I'm gonna go back to my hotel room and cool off. See you guys in the next clip. Okay, I am dressed. I just pushed my hair back. Very minimum makeup. How I like it. I try to do as little makeup as possible. So just concealer, powder, and mascara. And that's it. And oh, and blush. Just a tad smidge of a blush because I just like, I don't know, I feel like blushes just makes me look alive. I really don't do much with the face. I barely wear foundation anymore. The only time I wear like foundation is probably when I'm going out somewhere special, like an event, somewhere where I know I have to be beat down. But on everyday basis, like this is the most I would probably do. Doing any makeup at all. As I was getting dressed, I was eating my fruits. And guys, grapes and mangoes like are literally my favorite fruits. So yummy, so yummy. This made me happy. This made me happy. All right, so let me tell you the trips that we're doing today. It's pretty lightweight. So we're starting out the day in South Carolina. We're going back to LaGuardia, New York, then New York to Tennessee. So that's where I'm heading. We're just doing 2 legs, which is a lightweight. I'm gonna be in the hotel pretty late. I'm checking out the hotel that we're staying in. I don't think it's as pretty. It's not as pretty as this hotel. It is what it is. They do have free breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. There is a fridge in the room, great. Microwave in the room, awesome. Gym, perfect. All right, so things to do in the area, but this is a no spend trip for me unless somebody wants to buy me a meal. Other than that, I got food for days. I'm working the back today. So these are full service flight, at least the second one anyways. So they're gonna get the full shebang from me. Soda, liquor, snacks galore, coffee, tea, all of that. All of that. They're getting 100% from me today. Yeah, so let me pack up. It is 4:22. Mind you, I have to be downstairs at 4:45. So the next time you guys see me, I'll be in the plane or in the airport, whichever. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we are in New York and boarding will begin right now. We did another captain and FO change, so this is the 4th time we're changing captain and FO in this trip, me and my flying partner. So yeah, I'm still working the back. The flight from Greenville, South Carolina to New York, LaGuardia was so smooth. Everybody was really nice. I was chatting it up back here with people. Yeah, so it was pretty good. I like flights like this, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I had a few flights prior that's kicked my butt. Kicked my butt. So far so good. I'm knocking on wood that this flight will be good. So we're heading to, I hope I'm saying it right, Chattanooga, Tennessee. I don't think I've ever been there before. There's the first passenger that's coming. Let me stand post. All right, we made it to Chattanooga. I hope I'm saying it right. Airport. Bruh. The most scariest thing happened to me in this flight. It was a yellow emergency. It was just so like scary. I never had an emergency in flight before. This was like my first one. And the way they say that your training starts to kick in, literally your training starts to kick in my mind, I'm like, oh, well, I don't know what I would do. You know, yes, I've been trained and I've watched videos, I've done drills and everything, but you know, you just never know in an emergency. But now I was placed in an emergency, and I was just like, what the heck? It was so scary. The severity of it was all the ramp agents, everybody, they were like, wow, you guys did great. You guys, you know, thank you for keeping the passengers calm and collected. And I was just like, I wasn't calm. I was like literally dying inside. But that's just part of the job, I guess. Oh my gosh. Like, anyways, it was just insane. Right now, I'm like starving, tired. It is 1 a.m. right now. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna get this vlog up for you guys. Like, I am exhausted. Like, I look like somebody just punched me in the gut. Okay, that's how I'm struggling right now. It's just crazy. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so I made it to my hotel room. I don't know why I keep getting connecting rooms. I can literally hear my captain. So he's next door. Okay, and I can literally hear his footsteps and all of that. And I'm like, I don't know why they keep doing that. It's annoying, you know? Anyways, I don't know if he can hear me or whatever. I don't know. I made it. It is 2 a.m. in the morning, okay? We were supposed to be at this hotel 11:45, 12 the latest, and it's 2 a.m. when we just got here, okay? I am tired and I don't even know how I'm gonna be editing this video. So let me give you a tour of this hotel room. This is how it looks like. This is the bathroom. They give you a lot of towels, I like that. And then this is me. Hi. Closet. And up here. Then you have double beds. I like to keep my room really twisty. This is as far as it's going, 67, which is horrible. I'm just gonna turn it off because it's blowing cool air. So this is pretty much it. You have your TV here, and then your desk. Oh, let's see if they have the, yes, microwave and fridge. Yes! I'm going to take a shower and check the beds for BBs. I'm not even going to record that because it's getting really late and I want to wake up early so I could get this vlog out there for you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. Bye!